Hi everybody, welcome to my space. This is Mohammed Labib and today we are going to cook zucchini or courgette with minced meat. Let's start. First of all, put 500 grams of minced meat in a deep pot on medium heat. Then add a big chopped onion, a tablespoon of ghee, salt and black pepper to taste, then stir well and cover the pot until meat is nearly well done. After that, add 750 grams of chopped zucchini or courgette to the mixture and stir well. And for the fourth step, add an appropriate amount of tomato paste and a tablespoon of minced garlic and stir again. After that, add boiled soup or water as needed to cook, then add salt and black pepper to taste and cover the pot until the meal is fully cooked. And finally, pour the mixture into dishes. You can eat it with rice or bread. Have a tasty meal. At the end, if you liked our recipe, please click the like button, share the recipe to your friends, and subscribe to our channel to easily reach our next delicious Egyptian recipes. See you next video. Bye!